What is up? I'm out of breath because I was running and uphill walking. This is fall number 5, technically 5 of the day, because there's a ton on these trails. And we've got people just hanging out here, even though the sign at the front said no trespassing. But everyone does it, who cares? And yeah, this way better than I thought it'd be. That is a good waterfall. Look at that puppy. Yeah, this is not bad hike too. Again, so many like canyon-esque little mini crevices. Way higher than it looks. Way higher than it looks. Way higher than it looks. Alright, well that's all I got for you. I'll see you around.